Okay, hello guys. Here you see it's a bit snowy. After yesterday's snowing, it's pretty cold today's morning, and I'll show you how my Renault Clio will start at freezing temperatures. Okay, so yeah, it's kind of old Clio. It's 13 years old. Okay, let's just first turn off the ventilation. Let's see. Okay, I hope it'll start, maybe. Yeah, that was pretty good. Yeah. Anyway, it's not that low temperature. It's about 0 degrees. But anyway, it's an old car, so yeah, that surprised me. Okay, so here we go, guys. Thank you for watching, and stay updated.